Hello guys, welcome back to our channel and hope everyone is doing safe, well, and I hope everyone is trying to be in home, not going out until and unless it is necessary. So I would request everyone to be in home until and unless it is necessary to go out. Um, I know it's very tough time now. The second wave is really, I would say, worse than the first wave which had come. In this scenario, I would say don't go anywhere until and unless it is really emergency and really needed. Um, so so this video, as you have seen the title, I was about to book Triumph 660. I was Trident 660. I was about to book, but unfortunately, I have not booked that one. And in the later video, you'll come to know what I'm going to pick it up. But it will not be a bike or anything like that. Be something else, something different, something special. And however, there will not be any more travel vlogs because again the wave is hit and from tomorrow. So this video I'm shooting on Tuesday, and from Wednesday, from I think Tuesday tonight only, there'll be a lockdown in Bangalore, like a COVID curfew lockdown for 15 days, and you cannot travel in and out. So I won't be doing any such ride or anything. So bike is just parked from past 1.5 month. So it's just parked like that. Yeah, the last ride which I did was on Dominar. That's it. Post that I have not done any ride. So that will be the last highlight of the ride, I would say. So I was about to pick a bike this year. I thought, okay, fine, let's upgrade to a bigger capacity bike because yeah, I had already ridden a few bikes like Benelli TNT 600 and all. So I was a bit confident of riding 600cc to 800cc bike. And so when I heard that the Trident 600, like 660 is the best priced bike, I would say. Yeah, in Bangalore it would cost you around somewhere around 9 lakhs plus. I have not checked it up. I was about to check, but then my mind changed. My family mind changed, and then I'm going to pick something else, which will be much bigger in terms of value and in terms of it will be coming in the future video. If you have not subscribed, then subscribe right now because in future there will be really good blogs. बहुत सही blogs आने वाले हैं, बहुत अच्छे blogs भी आने वाले हैं. तो interesting blogs आने वाले हैं, मैं ये कह सकता हूँ. So subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so you get all the notification. And this video was meant to make that you guys do not go anywhere out until and unless you need. Check only positive news, do not check any negative news. So the current situation is, the tagline what people are saying, the negative is new positive, but I would say be positive in terms of your nature, in terms of the environment where you are right now. Do not even see any negative news. If it comes around, do not spread any negative news. No WhatsApp forward messages or anything like that, I would put like in that way, because this may demoralize the other person whom you are forwarding or which group you will be forwarding. So in that way, you may not be affected, but who knows, just because you have forwarded, the other may be affected. So I would say do not forward any messages which spread negativity. If possible, spread messages which have content like where you are getting oxygen, okay, how to wear a face mask properly, the double layer face masks which are now trending, how to wear that one, and how to protect yourself. Use all the times the disinfector, sanitizer, whatever it is there. So all those things. But if you see anywhere that people are trying to bully each other or showing that okay, government officer is not doing their work, or public are not responding to what government is saying and all those, do not try to entertain those people. Do not forward those messages to anyone, because that will demoralize other people and also the people who are working hard to save us. So I would request you all to stay indoor and to be really positive in nature. That's it. So this video is very short. This video was more on to tell you a message that be indoor and be safe and see your family members more, because this time is more hard for India. The wave which have come is more deadlier than the previous version. So antivirus, you can't do anything until and unless it come out. So just wait for the, and yes, you get vaccinated once your turn comes. Do not skip vaccination. That is the one and only way you can prevent. Just like we riders use our helmet, gloves, jacket, everything to protect ourselves. It is not a even if you crash, it doesn't mean that you won't get hurt. You will get hurt, but you're protected for your life. You're protected that you won't get a major, you will not be in a major accident. Just like a seat belt, it will protect you. Airbags, it will protect you. Just in that way, a vaccination will protect you. It is not 100% cure, but it will try to protect you as much as possible from the virus. So do take that vaccination. Do not listen to others. Think yourself. Go to doctor and then take it. Even if it is rush, try to take social distancing and then go. Do not hurry. Nothing is going to run over in this one. But I am really sorry the people who have lost their family members. My prayer would be there with them. I would really want to everyone to help each other in this particular time and stay positive. That's it, guys. Thank you very much if you have watched the video till here, and share this video to your family members so that at least they get positive with this message. And very soon we will see what can be the best blogs coming from my end, and try to put some motivational blogs. I don't know, I'm not a big motivational this one, but yeah, I'll just try to see. Thank you, guys. Be safe. Do not ride anywhere right now. Stay in home. Wear mask, gloves if you're going outside. That's it, guys.